The aspiration of the citizens of Khanari Rengma Village at Koilamati under Nilip constituency in receiving a good road connectivity to their village had remained grim as there is no any signs for the constructions of the road so far. Last year on 27th of November 2021, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council unveiled the NGADA commemorative stone at Khanari Rengma Village, Koilamati under Nilip constituency during the post-harvest festival celebration of the Rengma Naga community. And an assurance to provide good road connectivity from Koilamati to Khanari Rengma Village was also given to the people of Khanari Rengma Village during his visit at Karenga. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while addressing his speech at the festival, promised the citizens of Khanari Rengma Village, Karenga, to provide roads and RCC bridge and to complete its construction within a year.
Within a year, a bosorer bidot, guteki rasta, yat drain thakibo, retaining wall thakibo, car wall thakibo, logate big cooking like eta bosor. Ohamar fiscal year like apalaka yat, poka rasta big cooking rasta ibo pabo.
1 year had passed, yet there is no any signs for the constructions in the region. Hence, the villagers are compelled to pass through the pathetic road and perilous bridge conditions as you can see here on this visual.
Olop rasta mukuli hua pora aru etia ji ami atta bostie lok kori yate ami ngada jagat ami eta sin kora ami hoise eitu hol amar sob manu ekeloge atta bosti manu ekeloge kuri yate ngada ami sodia ahise.
Citizens appeal Dr. Tuliram Ronghang and the concerned authority to initiate the constructions of road as early as possible. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.